team, like as, as I said, we have Shahnawaz, who is technical architect, and we had great trainer Umar, right, who spent a lot of time, and then you know, so you try to utilize us, and we are looking forward for all your continuous contribution for the project, what we are building now. So that's the reason, I just wanted to have this session just to recognize few of folks from our team who have really done great job for us, and we are looking forward for the continuous deliverables and their continuous and consistent uh, support and help to make our fin crime investigation solution product a success one, so that we can sell to some customer, right, and we get revenue, and then we all get paid, right? It's kind of startup. So any question, anyone? Yeah, please feel free to speak up. Any question, anyone?
No question from my end.
All right.
No
So
questions.
as I said, we are going to share the names, and we are also sharing a very basic certification, like a few words, and after that, you will receive an email, or the token, or there is some coupon or something you will receive, but you, as a HR policy, we don't need to disclose that, what was the token to any of the team member. It's very confidential information. So, but if we come to know, like if somebody has shared, then probably there will be some disciplinary action. So it's very similar, like we don't share our, like salary or something, as we are not paying you anyone, you are all interns. So, but we are recognizing, and there are some monetary value token is attached to this reward. So we don't want any, it's very small, but still we don't want anyone to share with any of the team member what they have got. So everyone will receive, some of you will receive, some token amount and certificate, but we don't want you to share between any of your team member. That's kind of, discipline we have from the HR. So, all right. So let me share. You all can see my screen, right?
Yes,
Yes.
you're able.
All right. That's great. So, the first recognition, we have for Mehtab, unfortunately, he's not in the call. We want to recognize, him for doing a great job in the fin crime investigation solution project and the training what he has been participated. So we appreciate everything what he has done over the past several months since he has joined, and the endless hours, he has spent working here, and the professionalism he has shown that motivated the entire management of SCS. So, we just want to say a well done, and we want to recognize Mehta. So, you can send congratulations note to Mehta. Feel free to, congratulate each other and wish each other. So the next, we want to recognize Shabana for, really, a good job. She has been very proactively, helping the team members, and she has been very proactive and punctual, for all the training session, and she bothers, all the trainers and the management whenever she has doubt. We really appreciate that kind of, attitude. Whenever you have any doubt, you have to bother your seniors and your team members, unless and don't settle down unless your problem is not resolved. So we really appreciate Shabana for all his work, and we are looking forward for the same consistent performance. So thank you, Shabana, for all the work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, to choose me for this.
Yeah, and then we want to recognize our, Farooq. He's our product owner for the project, what we are doing now. So, again, like Farooq has been very active. Even though he was not interested into the technical stuff, but he was very keen, and he initially he joined our Java session, and we appreciate, he, because we hired him for our project, just for the product owner role or the business analyst, which does not require to go through the Java training, but still, with his interest, he tried his best to give time for Java training, and he and we really appreciate, and the deliverables whatever we got from Farooq till now, we are very happy and we are very satisfied. So we just want to say, Farooq, you are the star performer, for our team. Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much for
I
everything.
really appreciate this recognition, and I will do my best in the future as well for this product and for this consultant as well.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So now we have Ataullah, a great guy, a great team member for SCS and S2H4 and for our FIS, Fin Crime Investigation Solution. And again, here we want to say he's the star, of our team. He has been very punctual for all the training. He coordinates with all the team members, and his collaboration skills, what he carries, that we really, appreciate. And we are observing, his collaboration skills since long time. So we want him to continue with the same pace, and he's also very enthusiastic, about learning Java and contributing to our project. So thankful, we are very much thankful to Ataullah, and we hope you continue with the same pace and you contribute to our project, consistently, going forward. So thank you so much, Ataullah. You are the star of our team.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I will continue.
So now we have our star performer, the Amir Chaudhary, So yeah, Amir is a great coder, he has worked on our Java training, and we were very satisfied with all the tests, he has gone through. He has outstanding performance, and he has been helping out the team with the project setup and the initial project practice using a Spring Boot framework. So we are very thankful to you, Amir, and we just want to recognize as you as a star performer for the SCS and S2H4 or FIS project.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
And the last, but not the least, our trainer Umar, right? I don't have if I say thanks, that will not be enough. He is our corporate trainer. He has spent, consistently, and with patience. We know the knowledge of our team, what they were at the beginning, and now what we see. It's a huge difference, and that's all credit goes to Umar, right? So we just wanted to recognize you, Umar, for all the for training, upscaling the SCS resources on Java stacks of technologies. We appreciate you train them on core Java, then you train them on Boot Spring and many more. So we appreciate everything that you have done over the past several months since you joined us. And this, again, some endless hour you have spent working here, with patience. I know some, our team, as your trainer, they bothered you, but still has some patiently, you will just make them understand and solve their problems. We really appreciate that. And the professionalism you have shown has motivated the entire management team, immensely. And SCS clients and customers are looking forward to your continuous help. So we'll have our next session, but Umar, we also need your help. We are basically, our goal, as we discussed earlier, our goal is to deliver the project, the product what we are delivering, the MVP, minimum viable product. So we may need your help. I think brother Zahid, Zahid, he would have discussed with you. So we expect you to just give us some time, whenever we we are in some different time zone, myself and Shanawaz, and we have other folks like Hassan. He's also trying to help us out. But if somebody is stuck, in any issue, we will expect, if we can give 30 minutes, 1 hour, in advance, we'll give you some notice, some meeting will schedule. So if we can give, that will be really great for the team. So again, thank you so much, Umar, for everything you have done for us.
Thank you, Sartaj, sir. I really appreciate that. Yeah, sure, I'll be available. Just mail me the schedule,
Sure.
and I'll squeeze time. No
Yeah,
worries.
we'll try to give some advance time, at least 24 hours, so that you can just adjust within your schedule, if like, sometime I'm not available, Shanawaz is not available, and then we have other guy, Hassan, he's not available. So, the technology, right? What we are using, whatever we have taught, the same technology we are using to develop this product of crime investigation solution. So it's a Spring Boot we are using, and the backend we are using PostgreSQL, and the UI we are planning to use, AngularJS. So Spring Boot basically, for developing the REST API, and the REST API will talk to the, our AngularJS UI. So very high level, this is a technology stack, you know. So I'm very confident, you should be able to help us out if we get stuck anywhere.
Sir, can I add
Yeah, sure.
something here?
Yeah, please go ahead. This now is all on you. Whoever wants to speak, I just
Sure.
give minutes for all of you.
Actually, I just want to add one line that Sir Umar is one of the best teacher. Even though I was not interested in coding, but the way he taught, and most importantly, the example he gave and the illustration, he just set a very high level for other teachers. And I would really like Sir Umar, one of the best teacher I have ever had, and he is like a pro for Java. Thank you very much, Sir Umar.
Thanks,
I
Farooq.
totally
Thank you very much.
Farooq, sir, I totally agree with Farooq. It's right. He's right. He is a very nice teacher. And explanation, the way of explanation is awesome. Fantastic teacher, sir.
Yeah, like Umar sir
Thank you,
told
sir.
us to use Google and some other resources to search about the topics, but we were sure that if you are teaching us, we do not need to go somewhere else. So if we missed any session, we just
Also
covered by the
our
videos.
teacher.
So best teacher, I would also say, best coach. Thank you for your time.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for this testimony, Shabana, Farooq, everyone.
And thank you, Shanawaz sir, also thank you very much. As a teacher, you explained very well, sir. Thank you for everyone, every mentors.
So Samreen, thanks for joining. I know like you are very new. Just today is your first day. But
Samreen cleared the test and something else now. Your Sataj, how she joined, just tell him the team members also.
Yeah. So Samreen, we have changed our onboarding process. We are not giving any training right now for if somebody is already Java trained, we are just scheduling a screening process for them. We took some written test. As you have seen, like yesterday, I was taking written test for Samreen, and she really performed well. She was for core Java, she performed 80. She got 85%. And and she also cleared her second round of interview with Baligul Hassan. So Baligul took the interview for Samreen. So after that, we onboarded her for the product development. So and we are looking forward. Samreen has a great skill. She has done BTech. So we are looking forward for her contribution for our team, and we are trying to have a diverse team, so that we have all the skills and knowledge, so that we achieve our goals together as a team. We will get a success as a team. Like we are one team. So if one is failed, then whole team is failed. If we are success, then everyone is success. So just we are just creating a culture of teamwork and rewards and recognition. So we are expecting you all of you to give your 100%. And I'm very sure after 2 or 3 months, your career will have a different new height.
Yes, sir.
because the domain what we are working on, this is the AML anti-money laundering domain. This is a very niche domain. And even I, recommend don't discuss about the project in detail with anyone. This is very confidential domain and it's niche domain. And the market has less opportunity, but I will say the less competition too. But if you get one call, very easily you can crack that call. But if you just go with Java, some project, you will get thousands of opportunity. So and cracking the interview is also tough. But if you go Java with niche domain like AML, financial crime, you have, something on top of your profile to get, to make you unique in the crowd. So anyone else have anything to share, or else I can just close the call. All right. So thanks all. Thank you everyone for joining. And I just said, like, you will be receiving an email with your certificate. And if you have got any like token, recognition award, don't share with anyone. This is very confidential. Thank you so much, everyone. See you tomorrow for our regular project session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
for the
you.
session.
Thank you, sir.